Once upon a time in the snowy, glittering wonderland of the North Pole, Santa Claus was busy with his merry helpers, getting ready for Christmas Eve. But this year, there was a peculiar chill in the air, a bit different from the usual frosty nip. The North Pole's magic was fading. Santa, with his twinkling eyes and jolly demeanor, felt worried. He soon realized that children around the world were losing their belief in kindness and giving. That was what made the magic of Christmas fade. Determined to restore the Christmas spirit, he set out on a special mission. Santa put on his long, red coat, wrapped a golden scarf around his neck, and hopped onto his sleigh. His trusted reindeer stood eagerly, and with a hearty ho, 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 they zoomed off into the starlit sky, heading to the world where kindness was needed the most. In a small village with twinkling lights and white snow, Santa met a curious young girl named Mia. Mia lived in a cozy cottage with her grandmother. She had bright eyes and a heart full of wonder. "Santa Claus!" Mia exclaimed with awe. Santa chuckled and said, "Yes, dear Mia, I am here because the world needs a reminder of kindness and giving. Would you like to help me?" Mia nodded with excitement. Together, they embarked on an extraordinary adventure through the village. They started by visiting old Mr. Thompson, who lived alone. Mia, with glittering eyes, suggested, "Let's bring him some cookies and a warm blanket." And so, they did. The smile on Mr. Thompson's face warmed the cold air around them. Next, they went to the home of the Lee family, who had recently moved and felt a bit lonely. Santa and Mia decided to decorate their porch with sparkling lights and left tiny notes of cheer for each family member. The more acts of kindness they shared, the more magic started to return. The soft glow around Santa and Mia grew brighter and brighter, bringing twinkling stars and warmth to every corner. They even made a stop at the town's park, where Santa dusted off some snow from a tiny spruce tree, and with Mia's touch, it transformed into a glowing Christmas tree. People gathered around, drawn by the tree's light, and joined hands to sing carols together. With Mia's help, Santa spread a simple yet powerful message throughout the village that echoed into the world. The magic of Christmas is not in the gifts, but in the joy of bringing people together and sharing love. As dawn approached, Santa and Mia looked at each other with a knowing smile. "Thank you, Mia, for helping me bring back the magic of kindness," Santa said warmly. "Thank you, Santa, for showing me that the real magic is in belief," Mia replied, hugging him tightly. The fading magic was restored. The stars above sparkled brighter than ever, and laughter filled the air. Santa knew that as long as there were hearts like Mia's, the spirit of Christmas would always shine strong. And so, with another hearty ho, 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 Santa climbed into his sleigh, his heart full of joy, and flew off into the horizon, ready for another magical Christmas Eve, knowing the world was a little kinder and the magic lived on.